In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Shop app account. First of all, launch open Shop app application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Shop app has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find this option for Get Started. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. You can see over here, you'll have to enter your email address in order to create the account. So tap on the field of email. Now provide the email address over here and tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to another interface. A code will be sent to your email. What you have to do is simply enter that code over here. So open the Gmail application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, Shop has sent me the email. Tap on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to find the verification code. What you have to do is simply memorize this code, or you can also long press on the code and tap on this option copy. Now after you do that, go back to the Shop application. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Enter the code or simply paste the code from the clipboard over here. Now wait for a while. Now your email has been confirmed. Now you can see over here your account has easily been created. So like this, you'll be able to create the Shop app account. So that is how you create Shop app account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.